This is the elevator here at the La Crosse Center parking lot in La Crosse, Wisconsin. We have an Otis Series 5 elevator, right? It's a glass elevator too. Let's go to 5. Here we go. You got a nice view of La Crosse, and you can see all those people down there. There's actually a convention going on tonight, and I'm in there. Let's go to 1. We'll get a cab view now. It's a basic parking style elevator, although it's kind of being up though. It's a bit dirty. Look at the Look at the graffiti on the glass. I don't know why someone would do that. Here's your indicator. Otis VR assistant fixtures, 3,000 pound capacity. It's your COP. We'll look out here. And now we'll look out here. Watch the indicator change. There you go. Watch this. This has a classic leveling. See that? Sometimes newer Otis elevators can have classic levelings. All right, there it goes. That'll be it.